It's September up in Kawishiwi, and another productive week. It's the main lodge, and got to get this log out of here sometime. So, productive week on the cabin. First off, I had to cut all this grass with a industrial weed trimmer because it had just been allowed to go to seed. And let's take a look at progress. Earlier in July, the kitchen got installed with PEX, wonderful PEX, really nice built-in sink, and courtesy of Facebook Marketplace, a real leather couch. On this trip, the toilet was rejuvenated. It was in terrible shape, but leaking. But now it's a fine piece of porcelain. And bringing in the PEX, there's going to be a shelf above that from the kitchen. And the sink got installed, and the sink got renovated as well, and new faucets, all cleaned up and rehung, and new drain pipe, at least to the floor. And then this was the big project. This is the shower enclosure, the back walls for the shower to accommodate the shower enclosure, and new 2-inch PVC was attached to the line below the concrete. That was filled in with concrete, which will take 28 days to cure. And that is probably the work. Well, that's where the water heater is going to go. That is probably the work for this year. More to come in 2025.